Hi everyone, I hope you're doing okay. I just feel like crazy things happened in the last 10 days and I am just trying to get back on track myself. I just want to make sure that you all know that I extended all the deadlines and so I'm getting your worried emails, but just don't worry, okay? Don't worry, do what you need to do for your family, for your own mental health. um, Whatever needs to happen, you have until November 17th. It won't be due till November 17th. We're going to keep going with the discussion forums for the week. So we're moving to, let me look, conception. So, how a baby's made and kind of childbirth and pregnancy and all of that. So there'll be stuff for you to do this week. But like I said, the midterm is not due until November 17th. And here, if it makes you more comfortable, I'll drag it down here so you don't have to worry that it's in the wrong place. I think some of you are trying to clean up my Canvas shell for me based on your emails. Thank you. I probably am a hot mess, but you're good. You're good. Okay, so just keep. You did a discussion forum yesterday on relationships. We're gonna do pregnancy, conception, blah blah this week, and then next week, the 17th. So 2 weeks from yesterday, the midterm is due. Okay, so take your time. It's the same midterm, no new content. Just write it. Reach out to me if you have questions. I'm on campus Tuesday, Wednesday if you want to meet. I hope you guys are all okay. It was scary and hard and still kind of weird in my world, but all's better. So I hope I can say the same for you guys. All right. I look forward to reading the midterms when I read them, but like I said, take your time, do what else you need to do in order to get your life back on order. Okay. Take care. Bye.